This video will show how to uninstall apps that come with Windows 11. It will also show how to download and install software. So the first thing that I'll do is go down and click on the Windows Start icon, then I'll go up and right click on Solitaire and Casual Games, then down to click on Uninstall, and click again to confirm. Now I'll go through and do the same for everything else I don't want installed, then go up to click on All to see the rest of the apps and software that came with Windows. Most apps will uninstall almost immediately, but uninstalling some software like OneDrive will take you to another screen, which you can also get to by right-clicking on the Start window icon and going up to Settings, then over to Apps and then up to Installed Apps. Now I'll scroll down to OneDrive and go over and click on the three dots to the right of the name, and then down to click on Uninstall, then confirm the request. I also need to click Yes to allow the uninstaller to make changes to my computer, and I just wait for the software to disappear. And I go through and uninstall everything else I don't want, then go up and click on the X at the top right to close the window when I'm done. Now I want to install the web browser Chrome, so I'll go down and click on the Edge browser icon to open the website where I can download the installer. So up in the address bar, I'll type google.com/Chrome and press enter. Then I'll go up in the top right and close the desperate message from Edge, and then down to click on the blue Download Chrome button. And after the installer is downloaded, I'll click on the little open file link under the executable name. Again, I will click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to my computer, and it will begin downloading the files for Chrome, so I'll go up to the right and open the download page so I can delete it from the history. Then I will close the Edge browser and wait for the installation to complete. And after it does, I'll go down and click on Don't Sign In, and then Set as Default, which will open up a settings page where I will click Set Default and then close it. Now I will read about the enhanced ad privacy and click Got it below, and then close the Chrome browser so I can arrange my desktop icons. I'll just move them around how I want, and click on Chrome, then wait a second, and click again to rename it. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.